Hello everyone. Let's dive into the Carta Mini Pir motion sensor. This little gadget promises to bring convenience and energy savings to your lighting setup. It comes in a pack of 2, which is always a plus, and features male and female DC power connectors, making it perfect for LED strip lights. The core of this device is its PIR motion sensor. It detects movement by sensing infrared rays emitted by the human body. The sensor is designed to automatically delay shut-off after someone leaves the area, which is a great feature for hands-free lighting control. One of the standout features is its stable sensitivity. The built-in temperature compensation chip minimizes the impact of temperature fluctuations on the sensing distance. It boasts a 120-degree cone angle detection range, ensuring it picks up movement reliably. This stability and sensitivity are key to saving energy and improving overall efficiency. Energy saving is a major benefit. With this motion sensor, you can automate your lighting, freeing up your hands and reducing energy waste. No more accidentally leaving lights on. The adjustable settings are another significant advantage. The motion sensor switch allows customization based on ambient light conditions. For example, you can set the light sensor value to 20 lux. If the room's ambient light is above 20 lux, the light won't activate. However, if the ambient light drops below 20 lux, the sensor will turn on the light upon detecting motion within its range. This adaptability makes it suitable for various environments and lighting needs. The application possibilities are wide-ranging. It's ideal for automatic lighting in corridors, bathrooms, basements, warehouses, and garages. It can also be used for automatic ventilation exhaust fans and other electrical automatic control functions. The maximum range is 8 meters. In summary, the Carta Mini Pir motion sensor offers intelligent sensing, stable sensitivity, energy-saving capabilities, and adjustable settings, making it a versatile solution for automating lighting and other electrical devices in various settings.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.